Hello and welcome. Today, we'll be showing how to integrate Excel-based calculations into no-code platforms using Spreadsheet Web API, focusing Parabola.io. Before diving into the platform configuration, let's take a quick look at our sample Excel file. This is a shipping calculator spreadsheet that includes various data tables and complex formulas across multiple sheets. However, we will only be focusing on the input sheet, where we define our input and output cells. The sheet requires 3 inputs: origination zip, destination zip, and weight. These inputs are used to calculate the shipping cost. Each input and output value are assigned a named range, which will be key in the integration process. Next, we will publish this Excel file as an API on Spreadsheet Web. For simplicity, we will select Anonymous Access, though for enhanced security, you can choose the Require Authorization Access type. Once the API is published, make sure to record the Workspace ID and Application ID. After creating an account on Parabola.io, click on the New Flow button to create a new flow. Then, to add the first element of our flow, the Pull from API step, click on Integrations in the top left control bar and add this step from the Triggers API section. Here, navigate to Request Settings to establish the connection with the Spreadsheet Web API. First, select a post call and enter our API endpoint. In the Request Body section, add our JSON body. In the Request Headers section, manually add the content type Application JSON header. After finishing all the settings, click on the Refresh Data button in the bottom left to view our data. If you can't see the response column within the incoming data, you can add it by clicking the Add Column button from the left menu and removing any unwanted columns. If you want to change the column name that you wish to save in the Parabola table, you can use the tools in the Transforms section to rename the column. As the final step, select Send to Parabola Table from the Integrations section to save the data in the table. As a brief reminder, if you have a data source that you are using, you can add the pull data from step at the very beginning of your flow to dynamically direct the input data.